What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, it looks as though we are continuing to get that nice pickup off that swept low that we have swept down here at this low level. We said, we pulled our Fibonacci from this level literally almost a year ago now. Back here you can see April, and then obviously in May we got that swing low down here for Vechain. We came down to around that 5 cent level. Since then we did get that higher highs and higher lows, but then obviously once we lost this trend here, we come down, we back test, and then we actually roll over, make a little ABC correction to the downside here, back down to where we formed that low before. Around this 5 cent level, we got the overextension twice, down here to around that 4.4 cent level, but that was clearly just, complete capitulation in the market. You could see very clearly we were horribly oversold here, down at around, what is this? 22 on the RSI, absolutely ridiculous. This is like March 2020 Black Swan event levels of crash. And nothing has actually really happened in the market whatsoever. We've quite literally just come down, massive fear in the market, massive uncertainty. But you can see here now, we got that nice pickup off the low, didn't we? Where basically we chopped sideways for a good while. We got the breakout and continuation. And looks like we're heading back up towards that 7 cent level that we did highlight as being a very critical level yesterday, you can see here. If you just take a look. If you just take a look at the hourly time frame here, you can see it very clearly. We come down, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, forming a very nice little range here. And then we finally got the breakout to 6 cents, the overextension towards 7 cents. We got, a bit of a rollover here as we lost momentum, and now coming back up again to potentially retest that level again, because Bitcoin's looking very bullish, pumping up as well, which is what Vechain is obviously riding off the coattails right now. Bitcoin having a decent move to the upside towards that 7 cent level again. So overall, we'd say Vechain, it's looking fine. It's still just, highly correlated to Bitcoin, making its way back up through those key levels we need to see. To be honest, it's nice to see, it's picked up off this low very nicely, hasn't it? And it's heading back to the upside, looking pretty good. So, we'd expect it probably to see some continuation, provided that Bitcoin can keep its, keep its momentum. Now it's finally broken out of that downtrend. You can see, Vechain on the daily as well, clearly broken out of this downtrend of the RSI right here. So looking like it's coming up hopefully towards that overbought territory, in which case we'd hopefully be back inside this range, retesting this resistance again, hopefully for a breakout and continuation into the future. So before we do short-term price predictions, as always, we'd love to direct your attention to the free Discord in the description. Go down there, check it out, sign up. It takes like 10 seconds. We've got loads of content in there, an amazing community, over 1,000 people in there now. It's just absolutely incredible. We're so thankful to everyone going and signing up and joining in there. We really appreciate that. If you do want to get a bit more of an edge on the markets, you can sign up to our Patreon. We're posting even more amazing content in the private part of the Discord through the Patreon, so go sign up. I think it's $9.99 a month. You'll get access to all kinds of extra content, daily Bitcoin signals, alpha on potential 100x projects, etc. So if you do want to support the channel, go sign up and become a Crypto Maximalist today. And our Udemy course is finally live. You can find the link for that in the description as well. If you want to learn how to do basics of technical analysis, we've put together that course to hopefully help you, get in touch with all the basics of what we do here on the channel. So if you're interested in learning a bit more, and we'll also be posting weekly updates on market psychology and also doing some crypto coins ratings and reviews. We do think it will be a very valuable course to be a part of. So go check it out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. So with that all being said, for Vechain, taking quite a look at the charts here. For short-term price predictions, quite simply, if we're rolling over, Probably got a decent bit of support at this swing low here at 6.2 cents. On the hourly here, you can see it at around that 6 cent level as well. We could see ourselves roll down like this and then get the bounce to the upside if we do see ourselves rolling over. But I think realistically, we'll probably retest this 7 cent level first up here, and then hopefully, if we're heading to the upside, we break the 7 cent, we come up to the 0.23 at 7.7, get the back test, and continue for Vechain, because that's what we want to see, isn't it? We want to see Vechain, basically picking itself out the gutter, starting to do better, because it has been, horribly overextended to the downside recently, just heading down and down and down, as we can see. So, and then as we've always said, long term, we really do think that Vechain, it could potentially be heading up towards, that 50 cent to $1 region, in our opinion. Provided that Bitcoin gets back to all-time highs, we'll probably see Vechain in that 20 to 30 cent region here, if Bitcoin's heading back up. And then beyond that, we do think if Bitcoin does head up towards 100k plus in this year, provided that it plays ball, we could see Vechain heading back up towards this all-time high, maybe getting into that 50 cent to $1 region if everything else goes well. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals, and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.